What's happening, everyone? My name is Adrian. Welcome back to What the Pun. You may have noticed there's like half the interior missing from our GTI. That, in today's video, is all about to change. So, quick story. The leather seats, we sourced them off eBay, Mark 5 Golf GTI leather seats, off eBay from a breaker. Decent price, very decent price of an offer we couldn't refuse. And they're about 2.5 hours drive away from us to pick up the seats. So I literally left this morning nice and early so I can miss all the traffic, head there for 8 o'clock as soon as they open, pick up the seats and boom, back home before lunchtime. So leather seats have been cleaned, they're waiting and ready to go into this car. Yeah, from day one, since we had this Golf GTI, I've always wanted to change the cloth seats. I've never been a fan of cloth seats. I think just because it brings back memories as a kid, just being inside cars with cloth seats that's held on to smells. It might be a bit damp, and yeah, they just don't feel very comfortable, especially in like hot weather. I never feel like cloth seats feel nice and hot, even though like hot leather seats are not nice because you literally feel like you're sitting on a pan. But hot cloth seats, just there's something about it, just makes me yeah. But anyways, I'm so happy we finally got the leather seats coming into this car. The car's gonna feel a bit more premium. It's gonna look a little bit better, and it's the front seats, the passenger driver seats, also heated seats as well. So I'm gonna need to figure out how to retrofit it into this car as well. So at some point I'm gonna show you how I do that as well, because I'm not gonna do that in this video. I still got a bit of studying to do. But anyways, ready to go. Let's get these seats fitted. So I pretty much got all the seats taken out apart from the driver's side seat, but thought I'd just take a little pause here just to give you all a little bit of like tips in regards to some of the bits I struggled a little bit with. So my findings, so if you're like taking the seats out for the first time, I think the information I'm about to give you might be helpful to you all. But to start off with, definitely disconnect your battery, because with the front seats, you got connectors for the airbags. The last thing you want is your car still being live and you're playing about with the connectors and boom, airbags. But moving on. So what you're seeing here is the bottom bit for the rear seats. First, you have to give it a good little lift up to unhook it from these two bits here, but then it's locked into this bit and this bit. So you have to kind of like push and lift. So you kind of have to like, because there's like a hook, like kind of like hook on your car that locks itself into here. So you kind of have to like push back and then lift up, if you know what I mean. Moving on. So moving on to the back panel, still on the rear seats, what you'll find is that on either side there's a little hole. So you have to slide it out of the hole to release the seats. There's in the earlier footage I showed, there's like a little screw that kind of locks the seat in place, but as soon as you unlock it, remove that little latch, and then you can then make space to slide the seats out. Simple as that. Cool, I think that's covered up things that I think would be useful, but let's move on to putting my seats in. There you go. That's it. So as you can see, seats are all installed. I love it. I love it. The best part of doing this job, changing the seats, having to remove all the old seats, it's helped me tick a massive job off one of the tasks in the back of my mind. And it's always been bothering me since having the car. Since day one, whenever I used to clean up the car, there was bits trapped on the side that I couldn't reach. There was like pens, coins, cigarettes, popcorn seeds, and having removed all the seats, I got to do a massive cleanup of the car, and I'm like so happy that I finally can do that, because oh my gosh, it's been bothering me for so long. And I found like old McDonald's Monopoly tickets, all sorts of coins, but yeah, so pleased. The car's never been this clean for however long. Like since day one when I picked up this car, it was disgusting. It was disgusting. Like I think maybe construction workers used to use this car because it was really muddy. The seats had a brown haze to it because it picked up so much dust, and the mud was like stuck on the cloth, and I had to give the car a massive deep clean. And as much as I cleaned it, even using those carpet cleaning machines on the seats, there was always this smell in the car that we couldn't get rid of. And the leather seats, just changed the seats, got rid of that yucky, musky smell, and the car just feels completely different now because it doesn't have that yucky smell. But yeah, very pleased with how this has turned out. Goes to show what changing the seat does to the car. Do need to do the door cards. That's the only thing we need to do to make sure the seats and the door cards are kind of all aligned with it's all consistent in here, because there's still that bit of cloth on the door cards. So I'm thinking whether to buy new door cards or buy replacement door cards or just change the cloth bits. Still thinking. But otherwise, yeah, simple as that. One thing, like if you was like me, where you decided to drive or move the car around with one seat, you will get a airbag warning for the seat that had the airbag connector. So to remove that, make sure once you have all your new seats installed to use VCDS or a diagnostic tool to clear the code. That's it, simple as that. Otherwise, nice and easy job. The only struggle was the rear seats, which just need to kind of know the technique for, but wasn't too bad. That's really it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Nice and quick, nice and short. Next week we'll be doing some more work on the Audi S4B9, just prepping the car for our European road trip, which is coming really soon. So be sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.